Hello student, I am Amrita Palyar Singh. Today I want to discuss with you a preposition. Then before starting, I want to ask you one question about the preposition. Then do you know about the preposition? What is a preposition? What is the important in English language? And how many types of prepositions are there? Okay. Then let me start about the what is a preposition. Okay. Then first you know about the preposition. A preposition is an important part of our English language. Okay, without it we can't make a relationship between noun or pronoun with a sentence. Okay, then it is very important for us. Then let's start this one. What is a preposition? Preposition is used to show a relationship between a noun or pronoun in a sentence and another word in the sentence. Okay, we have to make a relationship between noun or pronoun in a sentence. A preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun in a sentence. It can never be followed by a verb. Then first we have to remember this one. A preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun in a sentence. It can never be followed by a verb. Okay? Do you get this? Okay. Then next we have to go how many types of prepositions are there. Okay, do you have any idea about it? How many types of prepositions are there? Okay. Then there are 6 types of preposition. How many types of preposition? 6 types of preposition. Then first one is preposition for time, preposition for place, preposition for direction, preposition for agent, preposition for instrument and preposition for phrase. Okay, got it? Okay, then first time, place, direction, agent, instrument and phrases. Okay, get this one? Okay, then now we are going to discuss about the preposition for time. If we have to get a lot of time, then I will discuss more about it. But now today I am going to discuss about the time. Okay, preposition for time. Then the example of preposition of time: at, okay, on or in. These 3 are the example of preposition. Lot of there, but now we are going to discuss about only these 3. Okay, understood? Okay, then in. Okay, then first that one, these preposition are used to refer to time in various aspect. Example: at, on or in. Okay, then now we are going to take this one in, where we are going to use this one and how do we use it. Okay, now we are going to know about the in. Then in we are used in month or year. For example, in March or in 2020 or in 2021, like that. In month, March, April, May. In March, in May, in April, like that. We have to use in month and year. Then particular time of a day or a month or a year, we have to use this one in. Okay. In we are going to use in particular time of a day or a month or a year. Okay. Then how do we use this one? I will give you that example. In evening. Okay. Particular time we have to give that in evening. Then particular day we have to give this. Then 3rd of the April. Then in the 3rd week of the April, like that we have to say in. First we have to use that in, that is preposition. Then in winter we have to give that exact time. Okay, we have to give that exact month, we have to give that exact season or exact year. Then we have to use here in summer, in winter, in 3rd week of April, in evening, in morning, like that we have to use here in, that is preposition. Okay, get this one? Okay, then we have to go that another one, that in we have to use in where. Now we have to discuss about it as century or a specific time in past or future, etc. In we have to use in future, also we have to use in our past, also use, and also in century we have to discuss about the 1st century, 2nd century we have to use to tell. Then we have to start with in, that is preposition. Okay, for example, in the 20th century, in the 21st century, we have to tell that 21st century, 20th century we have to use. Then in early day. Okay, then in the stone age, we have to use here the past. Then in the stone age we have to use. In future, in past. Okay, like that. In future I am going to be an IAS officer. Like that I have to use this in. Okay, in I have to use here in future. In past. Okay, then that is the preposition of in. Okay, get it? Okay, then next we have to go that at. Okay. Okay, did you get this all? No problem. Okay, then I will give that another one, at. How to use this one and where we are going to use it. Okay, at. Then time of a clock. Then whenever we have to telling to anybody about the time of a clock, then you have to use it at. Okay. Then for example, at 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, like that we have to use here. At 4:30, at 3:30 we have to use it. Then another things we have to use at, that is short and precious time. Okay, then we have to use here the time also. Then at the night time, at the morning, at sunset, at noon, at lunch time, this like that we have to use here it. Okay, it where we are going to use at night, at sunset, at noon, at lunch, at the moment, at the bedtime we have to use here at. Okay, understood? Then where we are going to use here a short time or a time of a clock we have to use here, like a clock. Then how to use 3 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, at 3:20 p.m. like that we have to use at 3 o'clock, at 3:20 p.m. we have to use here at. Okay, starting with at. Then exactly we have to say that a short time. Then we have to say that at night time, at sunset time, then at noon time, at lunch time we have to use here at. Okay, understood? Okay, then another one is here on. Okay, then on, where we are going to use this one, on. Then at daytime we have to use here on a day. Okay, on a day, that we have to use here on a day, like on Monday, on Sunday. I will talk with you, I will discuss with you about the matter on Monday. Then we have to say there on Monday, then that is the preposition on Monday. Okay, then another one also we have to use here the date also. Okay, date like that, on 7th April, on April 7, like that we have to use here on 7. Okay, then on is come here as a date of preposition. Then another one we have to use here particular day also we have to use, on my birthday, on the Independence Day, on the Sankranti day, like that we have to use here. Okay, like some particular day also we have to use here on. Okay, then after here, did you get this all? No problem? Okay, then thank you. I will discuss another one, that the preposition time, preposition for place. Okay, then next class I will take this one. Now maybe you can understand these all things.